This is the centre of Barcelona on a normal day. And this is Barcelona today. It's the 23rd of April, St. George's Day. La Diada de Sant Jordi, as it's known here in Catalonia, is a very special day. Just to prove the point, Catalonia has a population of 6 million people. And how many roses do you think are bought as presents on the 23rd of April?
Porque en Cataluña se celebra lo de la rosa, que cada señor regala a la señora una rosa, principalmente de color rojo, y entonces se consumen pues alrededor de 6 millones de rosas.
6 millones de rosas.
Sí.
En un día.
Un día laborable, la verdad.
Porque la población de Cataluña es de 6 millones de personas.
Sí, porque hay gente que regala a la abuela, a la hija, a la madre. Y, por ejemplo, en los bancos, los sitios que venden libros, todo el mundo regala una rosa. En los restaurantes se vende mucho.
Se multiplica.
Se multiplica. Hay señora que al final del día pues tiene 10 rosas.
Vaya, vaya. Of the 6 million roses sold today, you can find roses of many shapes, sizes, and prices. Near the cathedral, a rose seller explains what for him is the symbolism of the rose's presentation.
Esto es la rosa,
Sí.
con la bandera catalana, que simboliza Sant Jordi, ¿no? Que es el patrón de Cataluña.
Sí.
Y es rojo pasión, como la sangre que vertió, ¿no? Como la bandera catalana, que está hecha por las 4 barras,
Sí.
es la sangre de Sant Jordi, ¿no? Y la espiga, que significa la abundancia, que no falte.
Ajá. But it's not just an important day for roses. It's also a huge day for the sale of books. And in the national and local press, you can take your pick of where to go to meet your favourite author or authors.
Un día muy especial, lleno de alegría, porque el lector es el último colaborador del libro. Cada lector lee un libro diferente, es decir, puede firmar debajo de mí.
One of Spain and South America's principal publishing houses brings some of its most important titles and authors to Barcelona for the day.
Yes, this day represents about around 15–25% of the sales of the whole year in the area of Catalonia, which represent about 20–25% of the total Spanish market. So today, in one day, we sell 5% of the whole sales of the year.
I'm sure he will grasp that idea, because it's such a wonderful thing where you mix, books with flowers. And New York is a place where there's, as you know, people from all over the world. People are very interested in reading, and also their flowers. I mean, who doesn't love flowers? So I think if you convey this idea to the mayor or the governor of New York State, I'm sure they will figure out a way of doing this.
But one of the great things about St. George's Day here is the festive atmosphere that's in the air. Even the pastry shops get in on the act with their Catalan flag-styled bread. Some ingenious tricks are devised to entice you into buying a rose.
Aquí viene.
Y entonces, ¿el masaje? ¿Cuánto tiempo dura el masaje?
10 minutos.
10 minutos.
5 o 10 minutos.
¿Y dónde lo hacéis entonces?
Cervical.
Sí, pero
Lo
¿dónde?
hacemos en un banco que hay allí, lo hacemos.
¿En un banco?
Sí, es que no se puede hacer más.
Vale.
Hubiéramos traído una camilla, pero es que
Sí.
el que la gente se desnude tampoco no querrá
Bien.
la gente.
Con su permiso. Hola. And what an incredibly relaxing massage it was. It's no coincidence, of course, that Vincent Clavel, a publisher from Valencia who started this tradition back in the 1920s, made it coincide with the day on which William Shakespeare and Miguel de Cervantes died. It is a commercial occasion though, and some people find themselves morally obliged to buy more than one rose, even if the rose is for the lover.
¿Usted tiene aquí dos rosas?
Dos rosas, sí, de momento son dos rosas, de momento.
Sí,
Dentro de poco serán
entonces,
dos.
¿se atreve a decirme para quiénes son?
Hombre, pues para el amante y para la mujer.
Cuatro rosas.
Sí.
¿Te han regalado las rosas o no?
Sí, bueno, esta de mi novia y las otras 3 de los premios literarios de la escuela.
So is Sant Jordi here really a commercial festival?
Sant Jordi es una fiesta popular extraordinaria. Nadie puede pedirle a toda esa gente que salga a la calle a regalar libros y rosas, ¿no? Evidentemente, esto tiene una raíz popular inmensa, ¿no? Innegable. A partir de ahí, que tengamos la suerte de que la gente regale libros y rosas, hombre, pues es fantástico, la verdad, es que no es para desaprovecharlo.
¿Y para ti es un día singular?
It is a book, it is a festival of books, it's a party for books, and even though it's a commercial part to it, at least it's a commercial effort for books, so that can hurt.
National and local film and television personalities find it the ideal day to publish their books or memoirs. And currently one of the most popular is the Catalan humorist, Andreu Benefuente.
Sant Jordi is a singular day for you?
Oh, Sant Jordi is a very single day for me because I'm the best of Catalonia. You know what I mean?
Yes.
I'm the number one, and so this is the lo que pasa, that way. I'm the number one, speaking English, also the number one.
Yes. Not Jordi Pujol?
No, Jordi Pujol, no.
Ni Aznar?
No. Aznar is number one in Iraq. Here, Catalonia, culture, different culture, both, la hostia, the oyster.
But one of the great things about Sant Jordi's day here is that even budding Nobel Prize winners can get in on the act.
Tuve la necesidad de sacarlos y pasarlos del ordenador al papel y que la gente los leyese y que te hablara de ellos y compartirlos y bueno, es el resultado de eso, ¿no?
Sant Jordi is a magical day, especially for the young. But it's also a very special day for the young at heart. One of Spain's top novelists explains what for him is the enigma of St. George's Day here in Catalonia.
Muy divertido porque es un día paradójico, porque es simultáneamente festivo y simultáneamente laborable. Y esto es una rareza como el ornitorrinco, que es un animal imposible porque está compuesto de animales incompatibles entre sí, ¿no? De manera que es un día muy raro, porque ya ves tú, sales a la calle y esto es una fiesta, pero sin embargo las oficinas están abiertas y la gente está trabajando también. Es por eso digo que es un día imposible.
Apart from offices being open, the 23rd of April is the only day of the year when the public can visit the home of the Catalan autonomous government, the aptly named Palau de Sant Jordi. For me, St. George's Day here is summed up by the Hispanic historian Paul Preston.
Franco, and I came once with the King, you know. I think, Sant Jordi is the most amazing festival, which is utterly unthinkable in Britain or America.
Why is it unthinkable in Britain?
Well, the idea of a whole culture, because this isn't just Barcelona, it's a whole culture stopping to buy books for a day. Now, I know you could turn around and say, oh, well, in England or in Britain, lots of people buy books. You know, obviously, Wales is a highly cultured place. But the idea of everybody stopping for a whole day to buy books, I think it's just amazing, and it's a sign of the fact that I think Catalonia is one of the most civilised places on earth. You know, in every way, the way people treat each other, the gastronomy, the drink. You know, beautiful women, wonderful clothes. It's a fabulous place. I wish I could live here, you know, but there you go. I've got to earn a living.
Well, speaking of civilized people and beautiful women, the delightful war widow Incarnita made St. Jordi's Day for us when she flirtatiously offered her rose to my cameraman.